How to enable passcode lock on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable passcode lock on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click this settings icon, and here we'll find messaging. Click on it and then click passcode lock, and now click setup. Select later, and now just type passcode here and type it again, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.